Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and we are from usethebitcoin.com, and today we will be discussing about several coins, okay? Now, it seems like the result of the recent Bitcoin halving was quite different the way I expected it, all right? If you're going to look at our crypto bubble, okay, you will see that the leading coins are the altcoins, okay? Not the major coins. And to be specific, they are the meme coins. Okay, as what you can see here, we have Floki, we have Whiff, okay, we have Bonk. Okay, that's for our daily. All right, let's go to our weekly. Okay, as what you can see, we still have Bonk, we still have Floki, we have Whiff now. Okay, and we have Pepe. Okay, so Pepe was really strong last week and it performed really well. Okay, now let's continue with our monthly. Okay, as what you can see, Pepe is still getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so we still have Bonk, we still have Whiff, okay, we still have Floki, and we still have Pepe. All right, and let's continue with yearly. All right, there you go. We have Pepe, we have Floki, we have Bonk. Okay, and did you see Bitcoin? Okay, we have Bitcoin here. You see Ethereum? We have Ethereum here, and for Solana, we have it here. Okay, so Solana performed better compared with Bitcoin and Ethereum for the past few months. Okay, and take note, guys, Bitcoin ETF was already approved. Okay, Ethereum ETF has been approved, but it seems like they are still sleeping. Okay, they are still very dormant, and to be honest, I don't know what's happening. I was really expecting Bitcoin to perform well. I was really expecting Ethereum to perform well. But yeah, these meme coins or these altcoins are slowly taking over. So it seems like we have a new trend now for our Bitcoin halving. It seems like for this Bitcoin halving, altcoins are the one leading the market. Okay? So yeah, to be honest, I really don't know what's happening. Okay? It was different from the way I expected it. So let's just observe for the next few days. Okay? Anyways, today we will be talking about our leading coins for this day. Okay? We will be talking about with Bonk and Floki. Okay, so let's start with Floki. Alright, so this is Floki, and as you can see, it is really performing very well. Okay, it is just following a solid uptrend here for Floki. Okay, and it seems like it's trying to break this resistance levels here. But if you're going to look closely at its candle, you could see here that it's turning red already. So maybe sooner or later, we will be seeing a decline in prices, okay? And maybe it would form a new support levels at around these areas right here, okay? And then let's check the RSI, okay? As you can see, we are almost at the oversold levels for Floki, okay? And based on this one, it seems like Floki has a long way to go, okay? What I mean by that is it seems like Floki will still continue to go up in the next few days or in the next few months, okay? Because if you're going to look at here, the RSI turned green, right? Before we saw the decline in prices here. But for Floki, we are not reaching that levels yet. So I'm guessing that in the next few days, we will be seeing a more price movements here for Floki, okay? Maybe by the end of this month, we might see Floki breaking these resistance levels here, okay? But is it time for us to buy Floki now? Okay, to be honest, for me, I will not buy it yet, okay? If I'm going to buy Floki, I will buy it at these levels, okay? I will buy it here at the previous support levels, or I will buy it if it goes something like this one, okay? Break out from this rectangle, okay? Form a new support here, okay? I will buy it in letter B, okay, and then observe it in the next few days. Okay, so that is my trading plan for Floki. I will wait for it to fully break out of its resistance levels here and form another support levels at around here. Okay, there you go. Before buying it again. Okay, because for me, the price of Floki now is already expensive, and I don't want to enter that market yet. Okay, that is the first scenario. And the second scenario, if Floki would go down to around these levels, then it's okay for me to buy Floki, because as what you can see, it is just following a trend line here. Okay, if it's near the support levels, then it is bouncing upwards. Okay, so these areas are also great to buy Floki. But yeah, until it's not happening yet, then I will not do anything about it too. Okay, now let's continue with our next coin. We have Whiff. Okay, right now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a meme coin under Solana. Here is our technical analysis for Whiff. Okay, as you can see, it is not performing well as much as Floki, but it's also trying to break out of this resistance levels here. Okay, at around these areas. But for Whiff to break this one, I think it would really need a lot of good news, because this is a very strong resistance levels. As you can see, many candles are in those levels. It is maybe quite challenging for Whiff to break out of those areas. Okay, so my trading plan here for Whiff is same with Floki. Okay, if it goes up to around here, I will buy it to letter B. Okay, and wait for another solid support levels, and then continue buying it more. Okay, so I will just buy it here if it forms a new support levels at around here. Okay, and next I will buy it also if it goes down to around these levels. Okay, at around here at the Fibonacci levels. So that's around $3 or $2.92 or $2.80. Okay, so at around those levels, I will be buying Whiff. Okay, but yeah, for now, we are in the waiting mode. Okay, I'm extending my patience for these coins. Okay, waiting for them to consolidate and waiting for them to form a new solid support levels. Okay, so for our next coin, we have here Bonk. Okay, so let's check Bonk. All right, so for Bonk, same with Floki, it's also trying to break out of its previous resistance levels here. Okay, and it seems like it's also forming a cup pattern here. Okay, so we will draw that one. Okay, from this point, extending it to this point, and just grabbing your cup downwards. Okay, so as what you can see, is following that pattern. And we also have another cup here. Okay, so let's say at around these areas, going to these areas and then extending it again. So as you can see, it's like we are forming a cup and handle pattern here for Bonk. Now my trading plan here for Bonk is, if Bonk breaks out of these resistance levels, okay, the letter B will be my first buy. Okay, my first buy signal. I will put a small amount of money and then wait for it to continue to break out of these resistance levels and form another support levels at around these areas. Okay, so let me try to draw that one. Okay, so first areas to buy would be at around these levels. Okay, and the next confirmation will be at around these levels. Okay, so that is my trading plan for Bonk. Okay, and what else? Let's just include Pepe. Okay, because last week Pepe was also performing very well. So let's include Pepe. All right, and as you can see here in Pepe, it seems like there's no stopping for Pepe. After breaking out of these resistance levels here, it is now going up. Okay, and it seems like there's no signs of weakness here for Pepe yet. Let's turn on our RSI. Okay, as what you can see, we are already at the oversold levels for Pepe. So sooner or later, the prices might go down. Okay, but if you're going to look at here, this was the previous resistance levels. And as what you can see, it turned into color green, right? And we are not seeing that yet here in Pepe. Okay, so my guess is we would be seeing more price action here for Pepe. I'm guessing that we could still go up even higher. Okay, maybe at around 20. Okay, That is my wild guess for Pepe. I guess that we would be reaching up to around these levels right here. Okay, so let's say at around here. Now, should I be buying Pepe? Not yet, because this is what we call imaginary resistance. Okay, we are not sure yet if it will really reach that levels. Okay, I will just buy Pepe if it will move this way. Okay, let's say it would form a new support levels and consolidate at around these areas, then I will buy Pepe, okay? And then sell it again if it reaches at around these area, okay, at around 20. Okay, so that is my trading plan for Pepe. All right, but keep in mind, guys, that these are meme coins. Okay, it means that there is no strong foundation for these meme coins. Maybe it's good for now, maybe it's good for this month, but we don't know what will happen in the next months. Okay, they have no strong foundation, they have no use in the market, and it seems like they are just going up because of hype. Okay, so be careful in trading these coins and always trade at your own risk. Okay, only trade the amount of money that you are willing to lose for these meme coins. All right, so that would be all for now. Thank you so much again. And if you have some suggestions or if you want me to review some other coins, please comment it below. Okay, and we will make a video out of it. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.